everybody. TGIF. All right, so here is my breakfast this morning. I have 2 eggs. I have a piece of toast with spray butter. I have a half a cup of cottage cheese, which is 2 points, 0 points, 1 point. I have a, like maybe a half a cup of pear halves. These came out to be 0 points when I scanned the can, just so everybody knows. Great value in juice. I have, this is the spray butter that I use. That is 0 points. I have 1 cup of skim milk. Now the skim milk on the app is coming up 2 and 3 points. I guess it depends on which brand you use. I don't know. So I'm counting it as 3 points today. So I have 3, 4, 5, 6 points all together for my breakfast this morning. All right, I will see you guys at snack time. Okay, so good morning. It is Friday. Happy TGIF. Also, I recorded everything that I ate this morning, and I'm going to continue to do that throughout the day. It did help me yesterday. It helped me from going and getting that sweet treat. So I am going to pack up, and I can't decide right now if I want hot or if I want cold. So I think I'm going to take both. I'm going to take a hot lemon tea, and then I'm going to take an ice water, and we'll go from there, whichever one I feel when I get there. It is 40 degrees outside this morning. It is 8:30, so it's not warming up too quickly today. I don't know even if it's supposed to warm up. I am like so far off with the whole weather situation, right? So I just wanted to hop on, say good morning to you, let you know that I will be seeing you throughout the day. I will record anything that I do at work as long as I'm eating it, and we shall go from there. Last night I finished my points out. I know I showed you on the video I was at 4 points for the night, but I went ahead and I had a yogurt, which was 2 points. So it was a Dannon Light. So I did have that probably about, I guess it was about 7:30, 8 o'clock, somewhere in there. So I still had 2 points left over. That is a great accomplishment for me because, you know, 1 candy bar wipes out my whole entire point system because, you know, it's a full-size candy bar. Anyway, so I feel like I have accomplished something. He got a new toy. I feel like I have accomplished something tremendous yesterday, so I am super proud of myself, and let's see if I can continue, right? So, come on, let's go to work. Okay, so I only get 30 minutes for lunch. I had to come home, let Buddy out, so I am just grabbing one of these turkey dogs with a piece of cheese and a bun. So, that is 3 points for the bun, 1 point for the cheese, and 4 points for the hot dog. So that is 8 points altogether. Whoops. And my diet Sam's Cola, 0. Well, it's 5:30. I have not had anything to eat other than my lunch today. I've had a diet Sprite, but that's it. So I'm not feeling that hot right now. So I might go home and have like scrambled eggs or something light. My stomach's not feeling so well. So anyway, that is what I'm just checking in because usually by this time I am ready to go raid the candy section. But day two, staying strong. Good morning, everybody. Well, I am not feeling great. I'm having like something with I don't know what it is. Anyway, so when I came home last night, all I had to eat was toast. I had 2 pieces of toast, and that was it. So this morning, I'm not even having coffee. I'm just having some more toast, and I'm gonna go to work, but I don't know. It's like I'm got a bubble, a bubble that won't go away. So I don't know. I took some Nexium, and my back was killing me. It was like in between my shoulder blades. So, I don't know. Anyway, I just wanted to hop on and let you know I'm not all 100%. So I am, though, having toast with some reduced sugar jam. So my points are 1 point for the bread. So it's 2 points for 2 pieces of bread. And then it's a 2 points for the jelly because it's reduced sugar. So, and I only used a little bit. So anyway, that's where I'm at. I'm not having coffee. I'm not having anything. So I'll check in with you throughout the day.